Welcome to the Nom Lab. In this series, we're going to be exploring some delicious plant-based recipes that's going to blow your mind away. We've called this series Beyond Meat. And a few years ago, I decided to incorporate more vegetables in my diet. And what I realized very quickly is that with a little bit of innovation and with a little bit of inventiveness, you can create delicious recipes. I want to share that inspiration with you in today's recipe. Now, my first recipe is going to be using an incredible product called TEMPEH. Now, have you heard about it? I actually found that recipe on my travels in Indonesia last year. And it's an incredible fermented bean-based product which can be incorporated in delicious curries and stews and stir fries. So that's what I'm going to use today in my first couple of recipes. So let's go. So this is tempeh, and you can get this in your local supermarket. I'm going to be making two recipes with tempeh today. So this is my first recipe, and then you can follow me for my next video. So let's go. So right, I'm going to be preparing the tempeh in a little bit of curry flavour. And the ingredients I'm going to use for that are some rice wine vinegar, some tamari soy sauce, some curry powder, a bit of maple syrup, some corn flour, olive oil, garlic and ginger. Right, so preparing the tempeh. Now I'm going to crush some garlic and ginger into a paste. So next I'm going to coat the tempeh in the curry sauce and the curry paste. I've got some tempeh pieces here which I'm putting into the bowl. I'm adding the garlic and ginger paste that I created. Adding the garlic and ginger paste. Adding some rice wine vinegar. Adding some tamari soy sauce. Adding some maple syrup. Then give all of this a really good mix. As you can see, I'm just giving it some nice bit of stir. Make sure it's nicely coated. Each and every tempeh piece is coated in this beautiful curry paste. Finally, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of corn flour on it. Just a bit. Make sure, and then use your hand to make sure the pieces are coated in the corn flour. And now I'm going to shallow fry the tempeh pieces in a little bit of oil. So pour in some oil. And I'm just going to shallow fry it. This smells so good, absolutely incredible. So can you see the surface needs to be nicely browned up, and then we are ready. You know your tempeh is done. And then I'm just going to pour that into a little dish. So the tempeh is ready, as you can see. Right, so we're going to make the coriander salsa now. We've got here some coriander, lime, green onions, garlic, red chilies, and we're just going to grind them down in a pestle and mortar. So let's go. So here we've got the coriander salsa, slightly coarsely ground, so the flavors come out and you get a bit of texture as well. So I'm pouring that into a little plate here before I mix a couple of other ingredients to it. So I'm going to be mixing some rice wine vinegar. I'm going to grind some salt. I'm going to be adding some tamari soy sauce to this. Finally, I'm going to be adding some maple syrup. Give it a stir. Have a little taste to see if the sweetness is okay. Brilliant, just right. Put a little bit more maple syrup if you want it sweeter, but this is just right. Love it. So I'm going to plate up the dish now. I actually have this dish in Bali in a beautiful place called Ubud. Green palm trees everywhere, completely serene. And And it was a magical moment, and I want to recreate that beautiful magic. So here we go. Right, so firstly I'm going to put a few pieces of tempeh on this serving platter. Next I'm going to add a few chunks of mangoes to this. I'm going to scatter a little bit of cooked brown rice. Just a little bit. Just scatter it like that. Next I'm going to add some pea shoots and beautiful purple cress. So here I go. Some pea shoots I'm placing on. You can place them quite randomly. Next I'm going to scatter some of this lovely coriander salsa that we created earlier. So just drizzle it all over the salad like that. And finally I'm going to decorate it with some marigold flowers from my garden. Now the thing with Bali is people really are in touch with nature, and the food looks absolutely beautiful when it's presented. So I'm going to use that same philosophy and just bring a bit of colour into my food by scattering some of these absolutely gorgeous marigold flowers. And to finish it off, a fantastic squeeze of lime. And here we go, we are done. Here's a plate of absolutely gorgeous fried tempeh with some brown rice, mangoes, in a delicious coriander salsa.